DSC East Khasi Hills Recruitment 2025. The Departmental Selection Committee under the Mission Vatsalya, Child Protection Service, East Khasi Hills District invites application from eligible candidates for the following posts on a contract basis in various child care institutions. CCIs. Mawkasiang Shillong, East Khasi Hills District. The last date for submission of the application is the 16th of June 2025. One post name, paramedical staff, female. One post, place of posting, Special Home Girls, Mawkasiang Shillong. Age limit, 23 to 37 years. Salary, 11,916 per month. Essential qualification, GNM. Work experience, 3 years experience in child welfare activities, having knowledge in computer operation and counseling skills. 2. Post name, PT Instructor cum Trainer. Number of posts, 3. Place of posting, Observation Home Girls. Mawkasiang Shillong. B. Special Home Boys. Mawkasiang Shillong. And C. Place of Safety Girls. Mawkasiang Shillong. Age limit, 23 to 37 years. Salary, 10,000 per month. Essential qualification, Diploma in Physical Education Yoga Training. Work experience, 2 years experience in related fields. 3. Post name, Cook. Number of posts, 1. Place of posting, Special Home Boys, Mawkasiang Shillong. Age limit, 23 to 37 years. Salary, 9,930 per month. Essential qualification, Class 10 with Diploma in Hotel Management. Work experience, 2 years experience in related fields. 4. Post name, Housefather ADM, staff. Number of posts, 1. Place of posting, Special Home Boys, Mawkasiang Shillong. Age limit, 23 to 37 years. Salary, 10,000 per month. Essential qualification, graduate in any stream from recognized institution/diploma in housekeeping. Work experience, 2 years experience in related fields. 5. Post name, Art and Craft cum Music Teacher. Number of posts, 1. Place of posting, Place of Safety Girls, Mawkasiang Shillong. Age limit, 23 to 37 years. Salary, 11,916 per month. Essential qualification, Diploma in Visual Art from recognized institution/degree or Diploma in Music or Diploma in Sculpture, Ceramic, Paper Craft, and Wood Craft from recognized institution. Work experience, 1 year experience in related fields. 6. Post name, Assistant cum Data Entry Operator. Number of posts, 1. Place of posting, Age limit, 23 to 37 years. Salary, 11,916 per month. Essential qualification, 12th pass from a recognized board/equivalent board with diploma certificate in computers, experience candidate. Work experience, weightage for work experience candidate. Duly filled application in standard form along with supporting testimonials, self-attested. May be submitted to the office of the District Social Welfare Officer. Lower Lachumerie, Shillong near Bonded Warehouse, Shillong 793001. The last date for submission of the application is the 16th of June, 2025, up to 5 p.m. 2. Recent passport of the applicant should be attached in the application form. Phone number of applicants should be clearly mentioned in the application form. The self-stamped envelope containing the application form should be clearly superscribed. Application for the posts of name of the post. Those who wish to apply are advised to go through the DSC East Khasi Hills Recruitment 2025. Medical staff, trainer, cook official notification.